Hello kids! Welcome back to our drawing fun! Today we are going to draw something very special, a seahorse. Seahorses are tiny sea animals that live in the ocean, and they look super cute. Let's draw one step by step. First, take your pencil and draw a big curved line. Just like the letter S, this will be the body of our seahorse. Now on the top, draw a small round shape for the head. Seahorses have a long nose, so let's draw a little snout, just like a horse's nose. Great job! Now, let's make the tail. Draw the bottom of the S into a curly, spiral tail. Seahorses use their tails to hold on to plants in the water. Next, add a fin on the back. Just draw a small curved triangle shape. Well, it's starting to look like a real seahorse already. Now let's add the details. Draw a big round eye and a little smile on its face. On the body, make small lines or patterns, just like the texture of a real seahorse. Awesome! Now comes the fun part, coloring. Seahorses can be yellow, orange, red, green, even blue. You can use your favorite bright colors. Let's color the body orange, the tail yellow, and maybe the fins blue. Don't forget to color the background like the ocean with some bubbles and sea plants. And there we go, kids! Our cute and colorful seahorse is ready. Wasn't that fun? Keep practicing your drawing every day and soon you will become an amazing artist. Thank you for drawing with me today. See you in the next video.